Hi all, today I'm going to make this video after so many days, and believe me, the days were really, I can't say bad. I really don't want to use this word. Still, I'm alive and I'm healthy, so we should be really thankful in that way, right? So today I'm going to talk something about definitely Corona, and it will be related to diet, but in a different way. Nowadays what I am seeing or what I am observing on social media, people say ki all sort of, especially doctors, they say all sort of multivitamins and multiminerals, they are just waste, and food should be the best option. Food should be the first choice. I do agree. Definitely, our food should be the first choice because we can get everything from the food, and that's natural. That will be persistent inside our body, and that will be the best possible medium. But the main problem during this COVID, the moment I'm going to local market, I'm just thinking I'm getting one lemon in 7 rupees. I was just like wondering how the common people they'll afford that. When I was asking my maid ki are you eating lemon and avla, she was telling me, akka, how will I eat? It's so expensive. So think about the lemon and avla, and then you start thinking about the fruits, about the, and nowadays even I'm struggling for getting fresh fruits and fresh vegetables because we are under partial lockdown, and we are always inside our office, or we are on duty, so we don't have time. We don't have time on weekdays to go and get the essentials for us, and weekends is again closed. So in that way, when you are having limitations, and again one more thing, the moment you're going to pick up your grocery or some vegetables and fruits, you will find like the quality is really bad, prices are very high, and okay, prices are high, at least we can afford, but the quality, how to pick, I'll go and I'll stand in the vegetable shop for hours and I will just think what to pick. I will take 10 pieces of bhindi and I'll say, oh my god, 11th I can't pick because the quality is really bad. Same with the fruits. Yesterday, or I think day before yesterday, I got papaya, and papaya was actually bad. I was unable to eat. I have thrown half of the papaya. That's why I'm telling, in this tough time, I really feel we should go for multivitamin supplements, multi-mineral supplements. We have to go for essential vitamins and minerals. If you can't get, through food, you have to go for some supplementation, and that's a must. Again, we are under lockdown. Do you think we are getting proper sunlight? Our kids are getting proper sunlight? I'll say no. Nobody's getting, actually. They say, they are going and all, but what time they are going? Okay, that we have to understand. So I literally feel whether we or our kids, they have to go for some supplement at least for the time being, because we all are having a tough time. This pandemic is not going to go now, and it's affecting all the age groups, and we have to be very particular about the food we eat, everything, and if you're not eating a proper diet, we have to go for some supplementation. So I just want to request all the doctors, all the pediatricians, all the physicians, IMs, and all the dietitians, please encourage your patients, your clients, for supplementation for the time being. One more thing about high protein diet. Recovery of corona, or post recovery, we need a high protein diet. Our Indian diet is deficit in protein throughout in our hospital life. The moment we started calculating protein, hardly it came half of the protein what's required for us. And again, the protein what we eat, that's not of good quality. The biological value is not always good for all sort of proteins. So what I'll request, if at all you have COVID, and people are like, now what we are thinking or what we are seeing, actually once corona will come in your family, definitely you all can get impacted, and you all are getting impacted, we all are getting impacted actually. So we should have some protein supplement for sure, not on daily basis, but you have to keep, you have to stock it. Okay, the moment some this type of disaster is coming, I'll use this word disaster because seriously we all are tired and it's difficult. Meant, I think we all are, whether medical fraternity, paramedicals, or the normal person, everybody is tired mentally and physically. So some protein supplement should be the part of your diet during the recovery or post recovery. That's very important. We have very good brands, medicated brands. We have 100% whey protein. We have elemental protein powder that you can have during loose motion also. because in corona we are seeing diarrhea also. So I'll suggest you all, with the medicines you have to go for a proper diet. That's very important. It's a time to invest for your health, invest for the good doctor, invest for your dietitian. If they are charging also, please go ahead, pay the fee and get the proper advice. So I have posted on LinkedIn, I have given my number also. You can approach me anytime, and if you want to ask any question you can comment here. For sure I'll reply. I really want to help people, but nutrition is very important, either for prevention or for cure, or whatever, because it really matters what you eat. Okay, so thank you so much. It's a very short video. I just wanted to advise you what I'm doing for me and my family, and please go for that. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, and be responsible. Take care.